First of all, congratulations for landing on this page. This page is definitely going to change your life. I launched my course in 2022. I already helped more than 800 qualified CMA, and now this is the time when I should help to you. If you really want to get your desired job profile, then you need to watch this video completely. Don't skip a single part of video. I'm going to explain all the possible challenges or all the possible solution how you can get it. So definitely, I know you have just completed halfway. It means the qualification which you have completed, it is not enough. When you started your CMA journey, your first question was what package I will get after qualifying CMA. Even you have searched multiple videos on YouTube about CMA career opportunity. And now this is the time you need to really understand what exactly is suit for you and decide the correct profile for yourself. So once you qualified your CMA, you have two opportunities. First, you can go for campus, and second, you can go for off campus. But I will suggest you don't look on only one thing. Look whatever things are available for all of you. So most of the students, what they are doing, they are just preparing for campus first. Once campus will not work for them, then they are going for off campus, and they wasted more than 3 to 4 months. After that, they realized the opportunity cost of 3 to 4 months was approx 1,20,000 to 1,60,000, right? At least 40,000 per month. So you need to know. That's why I created this course, to help to all of students like you. So we will start our course where we will help you to understand all about campus. So before going to understand about campus, first of all, you need to know what are the challenges, why you should go with any mentor. Even you know Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, all the best cricketers, footballers, anyone, they all have their mentor itself right now. You can search on YouTube, you can search on Google, still you will get who is the Virat Kohli coach. Even he scored more than 18,000, 20,000 runs. Why still they want a coach? Because whatever level we are, we need someone who will guide us to follow the right direction. That's the role of coach. There is a difference between coach, teacher and mentor. So mentor and coach is almost same, but teacher are different. They are just guiding you. They are not coming, they are not on the way with you. So I am as a mentor, as a coach, I will there with you until your selection. This is my commitment in this video. Okay, you can reach out to me at any time. So first you need to understand what are the possible challenges for campus. First, you have only one time opportunity. So it means if you will get this job in campus, otherwise there is no any chance in future you can re-attempt your campus. So only one time opportunity in the lifetime. Second thing, you have a limited time, 30 days, 40 days maximum. So no R&D can possible. You can't do something, try it, and later on if it will not work, you can come again, right? Because this is the one time opportunity. Like your CMA exam. In CMA exam, you can attempt multiple times. Even 8 years, you can attempt 10 attempts, for 15 attempts. It's all up to you. But campus is totally different. You need to follow the exact methods and principle which other followed, and they secured their job. And as you know, I already helped 800 qualified CMAs to get their first job. We achieved more than 60 crore salaries as a team. So you need to know what exactly we created, how we did it. Even many of my students, even they didn't get job in campus, but they get job in off campus. Why and how? Even in off campus, they secured a package of like 6 to 11 LPA. Almost 40 to 50 students, they easily secured the package of 10 to 11 LPA. So definitely there are some process methods which we are following. If you will follow the same, I'm 100% sure you will easily get your job within next 30 to 60 days. Even campus will not work for you. So what we will do in our course, we have a daily classes Monday to Friday. In the evening 9 p.m. The first 1 hour is related to improve your group discussion. Group discussion is not only about campus preparation. Group discussion will help you to understand how to construct your thought explain any topic in the interview room, in the group discussion, at anywhere. So you can easily start convincing to anyone based on your thought and answers. You know how to conclude the topic. You know how to start the topic. Each and every aspects will help you to prepare and change your personality. So this is the first. We will do almost 1 hour on daily basis group discussion. You will get feedback as well. What is your improvement, how you are doing, in which area you need to do improvement, your speaking skills, your voice modulation, your pitch, all the things we are giving the feedbacks. This is the first thing. Apart from this, the rest 1.5 hour we will work on the interview skills regarding campus, off campus, like how to make your resume, what companies are looking in the candidate, how to prepare the questions for the interviewer, how to optimize your different job profiles for off campus as well, technical round interview questions, answers as well, company specific preparation you will get. So each and every aspects we will cover from the campus point of view, from the off campus, from dressing to your portfolio, from your body language to how to enter in the interview room. Each and every aspect, even you are not thinking, I prepared the list of sentences as well, which you can use at each round of interview. When you are entering into a room, what are the sentences which you can use? There is no one in the market who created the course in such a detailed manner. So each and every word I have covered in my course. And most of the teachers, faculties, they are providing the same exam oriented material. You will get customized material which is created only for interview. So it is not like the academic book. I have covered all the concepts from the company point of view. I covered the concept like from oil industry, pharmaceutical industry, FMCG sector, construction industry. So how costing principles are applying in these sectors, how accounting principles are applying in this sector, what are the GST provisions are important for these all the sectors. Then you will get the job. Everyone know the general principles. Why companies will hire you? Everyone has the same qualification degree. Why not he or someone else? So we will learn all the things in our course, okay, step by step. So it's very important for all of you to follow all the roadmap. Thereafter, we have the customized mock interview. So our team member, we have a team of 5 to 6 qualified CMAs. They are already working in the corporates from last 3 years, 4 years. They are working in PSUs, MNC. They will take your mock interviews. Okay, so in the mock interview, the first mock interview is resume based, second mock interview is based on the technical things. So this is about the course curriculum. So we will cover all the things from the campus point of view, from your resume writing to cracking all the different route of interview, either it's related to group discussion, written assessment, PI round. All these 3 rounds we will cover about all the technical, non-technical, behavioral, each and every aspects. Okay, same for off campus. In off campus, what are the job profiles available for CMA? We have created a Excel sheet we will share in the course, okay, which for each segment, like in accounting, what are the 30 job profiles available for CMA? Same for costing, what are these job profiles available for fresher CMA, experienced CMA, what are the company they hiring for this profile, and how you can reach out. This much of detailed research we have done for campus and off campus. And even you will get opportunity to listen to guest speakers who already secured their job in campus and off campus. So they will share all the tricks which will help you to place in campus and off campus, and it will boost your motivation and confidence to the next level. And the most important, you are directly connected with me from day 1 to till your selection. You can message me, you can call me anytime. I will try to available for you. So maybe you called me or message me one time, I will not respond you. You can try second time as well. So definitely I will respond to you within next 2 to 3 hours maximum. Because for next 2 months, I am completely committed for my community. And when I'm recording this video, already 140 students they registered in this course. Just you can think about my quality of. You can check my LinkedIn profile. More than 300 students they written their recommendations about my course, how I help them or how I am helping them. So 300 plus recommendations on any LinkedIn profile. I don't think anyone got as a mentor 300 plus recommendations. So definitely I have done something for my community. More than 800 placements are not easy. It only it can only possible when you are committed. And my course fees is very less as compared to others. The reason, whatever challenges I faced throughout my journey, I don't want someone else will suffer with the same. That's why I put in my course price very less. It is less than 60 rupees per day. I don't think anyone in the market who are able to provide the best quality content at lesser amount. The reason, I am committed. I am also SAP certified. Okay, I got multiple awards. You can see here. This is the award I received from the institute. You can see the institute logo as well. This is social media influencer award I got. To get this much award, it is not easy for anyone. Definitely we have done something for the community. That's why someone recognized you. So if you want to get a better job for yourself, if you want to fulfill your family dreams, because we all are here for our family, who sacrifices many things for all of us. That's why you completed your CMA. Many of the students, they are coming from poor family, middle class family. They don't have that much infrastructure or money to spend or invest more than lakhs for their self-development. So I created this course for all of them, to help them to improve their English, to help them to improve their soft skills, to help them to improve their body language, to help them how they can impress to the interviewer. Even you are non-rank holder, even you took multiple attempts, still you can get the job. You can check my YouTube videos, more than 100 stories I recorded on my YouTube channel. And not everyone was rank holder. Most of them are the multiple attempts, or either just simply they qualified their CMA. So how it possible? The reason, you know how you can crack the interview. You need to know how you can crack the algorithm of Naukri.com. There is no any CMA in the market who crack algorithm. They are just simply guiding you. These are the skills you need to add in your CV, and these are the skills you need to add in your Naukri profile. That's it. But Naukri algorithm is not working based on these things. So you need to know exactly. And the most important, I am doing this job 24/7 into 365. So I am not that one who just came for campus placement. I am here for 365 days. So even after 2 months, 3 months, you need my support, you can message me. Even after joining the company, many of the students, they stuck in the office politics. They connected with me how I can tackle my office politics. I help them as well. So once you will join the company, there are the another set of problems you have. So you need a mentor who will there with you for all this situation. It is not like that just getting an offer from campus. It is, if it is enough for you, just getting the offer, so then it's fine for you. But if you really want someone who will there with you for all of your life, your journey, you can definitely join my mentorship program. So I am committed. I want, if you are committed, then please join. If you're not committed, don't join. I don't want a candidate who just pay and they will not attend the class, they will not follow my steps. I only want a committed students. So when you will committed, I will committed, then definitely we both will rock and we get the best result. So bye, take care. Just simply go on this link, purchase the course. I have covered all the things. Bye, take care, and all the best.